Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Projects. I am back with another video, and in this video we will see how to create a Spotify login UI in Ender Studio, or we can say it is just a demo video. If I get enough response on this demo video, then I will upload the complete tutorial. So the reason is for uploading the demo video first, because this type of login screen can take so much time. Maybe it can take up to 30 to 40 minutes. So if you want to learn more concept, if you want to learn in-depth concept of Ender Studio, of XML, then this video is just for you. If you give me response in this video, then I will upload the entire tutorial. So first of all, I want to show what we are going to create in Ender Studio. So you can see I already created an application. I open this application, and you can see this login UI is exact similar to the Spotify login UI. So if you use Spotify, then you know how the login UI of the Spotify, how it looks. So you can see this is exact similar. Now I want to tell the feature of this login UI. So first of all, you can see it contains two edit text, but the color of the edit text is normal. Now if I click on any of edit text, it get focused. So if I click on email or password, you can see it get focused. If I click on password, you can see it get highlighted. And now one more thing I want to say, if I click on login, if I try to click on login, you can see it does not get clicked because I add a text watcher inside our email and our password. So this login button is only enabled when the both fields are filled. Otherwise it is disabled. So let's see how to fill anything. Let us suppose if I enter something in email, the login button is still disabled. Now let us suppose if I enter password. So you can see the drawable of the login button is changed on runtime, and it is very fast. If I just enter one word, you can see the login button is get highlighted. You will also learn how to work with text watcher in Ender Studio, and also you will also learn how to work with toggle button, because this is not a inbuilt functionality. I am not using any dependency for creating this toggle button. I simply write the Java code for this. So if you want to know how to write Java code for making password toggle enable or disable, then I am going to tell everything in this video. So the toggle button of the password is also work fine. In new Ender Studio, the old button is replaced by material button. So if you want to know how to work with new material button in Ender Studio, how to create a multiple drawable and how to add a background color, because it is little bit difficult while working in new Ender Studio. So if you want to learn this kind of concept, then this video is just for you. So if you want to create this kind of login UI, then you have to simply like the video. The target on this demo video is just 30 likes, and if you give me enough response of 30 like on this demo video, then I will upload the entire tutorial of this login UI just after on next day. So it is depend on you. Now one more thing, you can see this login without password looks amazing, and it doesn't contain any background. It contains a stroke, and also it contains an outline. So this is very amazing, and you will going to learn lots of amazing concept after watching this video. So why you wait, simply like the video. The target is only 30 likes. If you complete this 30 like today, then I will upload the entire tutorial today. So it is just depend on you. If you need this, then like the video, and if you are new to this channel, then subscribe the channel and hit the bell notification for more Android and web development projects. So thank you, see you soon in next video.